Well, good morning, guys. I have some good and bad news. The good news is it's currently snowing out. And it's actually been snowing for a couple hours. The bad news, it's only snowing here where I live. Our whole entire service area, it's not snowing, so. It's ocean effect snow coming in off the ocean, and I'm about probably 15 minutes away, further west than our service area, and unfortunately, I've had a couple of people out in that area, and I've been watching the weather. It is not snowing and hasn't snowed there. So we have almost an inch and a half probably on the ground here, and it's still snowing like crazy. And I guess if you drive about 5 minutes that way, there's absolutely nothing. So a little frustrating, but it is what it is. But at least there's some snow going on. So I was hoping I'd be able to get a video going today of us at least going out and salting and doing something, but not looking good, but we'll keep you posted. What's up, guys? So you just saw the start of that video. We got some snow, but didn't get some snow. So this is kind of like an update video. It's not gonna be a long one at all. We got some snow where I live. It was ocean effect snow coming off the ocean, and we got about actually almost 3 inches, just under 3 inches. And it actually stuck around for the last couple of days. But if you drove literally a mile, gone, nothing. So unfortunately, our service area, we're only about 5 miles from where I live. Absolutely nothing. Even here at the shop, I'm about 2 miles from my house and nothing. So it is what it is. Win some, you lose some. But it was tough just looking out the window, seeing snow like crazy, and knowing that 2 miles down the street, it's nothing. But it is what it is. So we're at that point in winter now, though, where pretty much it's kind of sit and wait and try to stay busy. The forecast for long term right now does not look too good for winter weather. It was been cold the last 2 days, but this weekend's supposed to be almost up into the 60s with a big rainstorm, and then next week is mid 40s every single day. No sign of any cold. So we're gonna do some. We got a couple jobs booked for pool work and just odds and ends stuff, just to stay busy, make a few bucks, and then obviously stuff here at the shop. So, but hoping we get a better winter this year. I know the videos I've been putting out are old videos, obviously, from years past. For those new to the channel and stuff. Where we're located, we're south of Boston, up in Massachusetts. We're in a very tough area. It just seems like it doesn't want to snow here anymore. It even get cold enough to freeze up. I remember as a kid, we used to get snow all winter. We used to play pond hockey in the ponds. I haven't skated on a pond in almost 10 years now. It just does not... I'm not saying climate change, but something's been going on in this area where we don't get the winters like we used to. Don't get me wrong, we got hammered with a massive storm a couple years ago, so it can happen. For example, last year we only had, I think we had 10 inches of snow all year, and literally that 10 inches was like 1.5 inch to 2 inch snowstorms of like slush and sleet. Half of it melted on contact, and we only plowed twice. And to be completely honest, we probably didn't even need to plow those 2 times. It was just kind of scraping the excess slush off the parking lot, so we didn't use a ton of salt. So it's been a tough one. The year before that, we got a 30-inch snowstorm. You guys have been following the channel for a while. Probably seen the videos of that. We got absolutely hammered, but we didn't get really much else that winter. So, you got to take what you can get. That storm was great. We made a ton of money and, worked pretty much for a week straight. But that's about all we got that winter. And then the year before that, we barely got anything. So I've been doing this now, this is 7 or 8 years on my own. I've been plowing for a lot longer, and I remember every winter up till probably 2019, I would say. So 2019 and before, we used to get 8 to 10 snowstorms guaranteed every single year. Guaranteed plowing, 8 to 10 storms no matter what. 2019, 2020 is where everything started changing, and lately we're lucky to get anything. So I don't know what's going on. I'm not an expert on it, but it's frustrating, but it is what it is. For those who've been watching the channel, you guys know we're a swimming pool service company. At the end of the day, we plow snow just to pay the bills and stay busy over the winter. I just know a lot of you guys are here for that content, so that's where it gets tough. But we're gonna stay busy next week. We got a couple jobs booked, pool work, and odds and end work, just to make a few bucks. So that's kind of the goal this winter, is just to stay busy when we can. We're not gonna be working full time. Don't get me wrong. The last 3 days I've been pretty much sitting at my desk and doing nothing. Well, I've been working, but so we're gonna try to stay busy. Do a job or 2 a week, whatever it may be. Whether it's running the skid steer at someone's yard, cleaning something up, doing pool. There's not much pool work in the winter, which is tough, but we're pushing to try to get anything done. We got a whole list of leads for next year that trying to get people to bite on getting some of the work done in the winter. That can be done. We obviously don't want to open the pool, but if there's anything we can do without opening a pool, we're going to try to do it. And obviously trying to get deposits on work for next year and sell work too. That's kind of the main thing. So we'll survive at the end of the day. We survived last year with literally no snow. We'll survive this year. So I'll get into it in another video how we do it. How we kind of make the off season work. Obviously it's tough. We have to make all the money during the summer months and in the fall when we're closing pools, and then we have to be very tight on our budgets throughout the winter and basically not spend money if we don't have to. So it is very tough. It's a tough battle. When we get snow, it's great. That pays the bills, but like I said, it's not guaranteed. So but either way, even last year was the worst snow winter we've ever had with no snow, and we made it by just fine. So but I just want to make a little update video. So there's really not much going on. Honestly, nothing's really changed, and we're just kind of sitting and waiting at this point. So just want to let you guys know what's been going on, and all these videos you're seeing with snow is from years past. So I'm digging through my folders and files and just trying to find any footage that either didn't get posted or stuff that I can put together to make videos for you guys, because I know you guys really enjoy the snow stuff. So wish you guys enjoyed the pool stuff as much as you enjoy the snow stuff, but it is what it is. So but appreciate you guys watching. I got a couple things I'm going to finish up here at the shop. It's Friday, getting a little chilly. I'm going to head home and warm up, and it's supposed to be a crappy week of rain, so get to sit on the couch and enjoy the rain. But we'll probably bring along next week some of the jobs we're doing. Nothing crazy, but just something. So like I said, we're just trying to stay busy and stay off the couch and keep from getting fat over the winter. So appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate all you guys that have been subscribing, the new subscribers. We've gained a lot in the last couple of weeks. I think we're up to almost 275 subscribers just the last 2 weeks. So a lot of new people here on the channel, and I'll eventually make a video. I think I'm going to wait till I hit 6,000 subscribers, which is coming. I only need about 200-300 more, not even. Once I get up to that point, I know there'll be a lot of new people here on the channel, and I'll do another quick little video of like the shop and the company and me and all that good stuff. So there's videos, if you dig back on the channel, videos kind of already on that stuff, but I'll do another one eventually. It's kind of getting to that point where it's been a little while since I've done an update video and gone into stuff. So just want to create a good following here and welcome everybody who's new. The other thing, and I'll shut up, if you don't follow our Instagram, I know I say this in every video, I've been posting a ton of stuff on Instagram and social media there. Jump over there, just look for us at Crowley Pool Services or Crowley Snow Services, one of the two. You'll find us. I typically post daily there. It hasn't been as much lately just because there's not much going on, but whenever we're doing projects, whether it's big or small, always posting on there, on our stories and stuff like that. YouTube, I'm trying to post twice a week if I can, but Instagram's almost daily. It's like I said, in the winter might not be daily, but a lot more content there if you want to keep up to date and stuff. So appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next video, and everybody pray for some snow.